So I haven't done a video for a while my grill is warming up for steaks. I thought I would show you a new addition. This is kind of the barbecue cart. 80 some dollars, $80 at Harbor Freight. Actually has, I think, a 20% coupon as well. But I just got tired of going in and out of the house for stuff. I'm always coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out, and I'm like, this is crazy. So this is basically it. It's nice black, so I can keep the weather out. I do plan on getting a grill cover for it, putting over it, but they have some nice attachments. This is a side tray. This is extra, but it's nice, gives you more space. Obviously the paper towel holder, and then that is also an extra. It's just magnetic, it sticks on, but it's great for water bottles, oil bottles, and so forth. So one drawer, keep stuff in there as well. And then underneath, I have my pans and extra oils and cooking sherry. So just thought I'd share it with you. Great addition for the price. Can't beat it. So that's just some of the stuff that's inside. So hope you like it. Hit subscribe. Trying to build the channel. So thanks.